Hi, I'm Ondine, a yoga teacher with 20 years of experience and a passionate advocate for women's mental and physical health. If you're navigating perimenopause or menopause and want to feel strong, balanced, and in control of your body, then you're in the right place. Perimenopause is the phase leading up to menopause. It can last around 7 to 10 years and usually begins in your 40s or even earlier. It's when your estrogen and progesterone levels start shifting, bringing a whole range of changes, some subtle and others more dramatic. Menopause itself is just one moment in time. It happens exactly 12 months after your last period. And after that, you're officially postmenopausal. But here's the thing. This transition can feel overwhelming, like your body is betraying you. From brain fog to hot flashes, fatigue, and anxiety, the symptoms can be mild or completely life-altering. And yet so little research, funding, or education has been given to menopause, leaving many women feeling alone and unheard. But here's what I want you to know. Nothing is wrong with you. What you're experiencing is completely normal. And instead of seeing this new chapter as an inconvenience, what if we embraced it as a time of growth, wisdom, and self-discovery? And for the partners out there, yes, this time can feel confusing, but your support, understanding, and compassion will mean everything to the woman you love. On this channel, you'll find yoga, practical tools, and expert-backed strategies to help you feel your best through perimenopause and beyond. And if you need extra support, check out my free mini workshop, the Menopause Map. You'll find the link below. Let's navigate this journey together. Welcome.